Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I have a iPhone 12 and the one screw is stripped and one is open with the screwdriver. Another one is not opening with the screwdriver. I made the video before iPhone 11 and iPhone XR. Some people requested me to make video for iPhone 13 because or 12 or 13 there is different. And the second screw wasn't open with the screwdriver. Now I will use this plate. They have a one lock in the corner and both corners have a locks. First I need a push down lock with the plate, and after then use these plastic things and make space with the blade first, and after then put the plastic thing and swipe down little bit slowly and open the screen from one side and another side. Use the same procedure. Push the lock with the blade. Yeah, little bit push down and open the lock. Oh, my blade is cracked. Don't worry. I will use now the plastic thing. Is okay now. This plastic thing and swipe down little bit slowly. Don't push down. If your screen is cracked, then it's no problem. If you have a new screen, then you need more care. I didn't care because screen is already cracked. Screen is cracked from here, then the plastic is not working. Now I am using the blade. Just use the plate here, push little bit and open from there. Yeah, now is okay. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. It's free, not have a cost for subscribe. If you click on subscribe, yeah, now put the plate from bottom. Their side one screw was open. Just push from there little bit. Another screw who wasn't open, you can push from there with the blade and the screen will be free from the stripped screw. Yeah, now is okay. Now the screen is open. Now one problem is solved. Another problem is the screw. We need to take out the screw as well because we need to put another screw, new one. We will open the LCD screws. First we need to remove screen because make hard work with the screen. That's why we need a separate screen first. Disconnect the screen. Screen is separate. Now I'm going to use my plier. This is my special and favorite plier. This is special for this work. You can buy easily online. You can search. Just hold with this plier to screw and open their side. Their screw is opening. Don't try to the another side, wrong side. First you need to make sure which side you are trying to open, and just slowly try to open the screw. Yeah, a little bit open. Yes, is working. Just keep continue till then is not open. Little bit there you can hold with the plier or with the nails. Yeah, I think so will be okay. Now I think is okay. You can hold with the plier. Hold with the plier and try to open. Yes, move around. Yes, keep continue. Now little bit out. I will use my nail. I think so is easy for me. Or you can continue with the plier. It's up to you. But don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. I'm making videos for you. It's hard little bit and you need a just easy work. Subscribe, like, or must be something comment. You like video or not? Look, the screw is done and all the job is done. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.